Eto po tayo sa At Home with Chef Gene. And today, napaka-special ng topic natin. Dahil tayo ay gagamit ng French press. Ito po ang bagong French press line ng Massflex. Gawa tayo ng sangria. Okay? Ito ang ating French press. Alam niyo, maganda dito, meron na tayong instant na muddler. Kaya nating katasin yung mga nilalagay natin sa ating cocktail, pero hindi natin kailangan sirain at magmukhang, luray-luray. Maganda siya. So, what are we going to do? Okay, let's get some orange juice. Okay, slices of apple. Ayan. Lagay tayo ng slices ng lemon. Lagay tayo ng slices ng orange. And then, we can put slices of lime or calamansi. There you go. To give a little more acid, just a little acid to our cocktail, nilagay ko yung ibang kalamansi at in-squeeze ko. Okay? Or, you can put calamansi concentrate there. Medyo sweet na yan. And some grenadine syrup. There. So, medyo sweet na yan, Tsaka maganda na, matingkad na ang kulay niyan. Then, we put in our red wine. Kaya ganda to pag may paella kayo, pag may tapas kayo, tsaka hindi naman ganong kataas ang alcoholic content nito. So, you can actually have a very delicious cocktail without really getting too tipsy or getting too much of the effects of alcohol. So, ito. Here, you can see this. It's slowly, lightly being muddled. Okay? You have a nice pink color. And I'm gonna put ice. And that's it. You have your cocktail. So, maraming silbi ang French press. Ang dami niyan silbi. Okay? So, here, you can see our sangria, how beautiful our sangria is. And pour this, and you have for sharing, Pwede yan. Hanggang 4 na tao for a nice sangria. Remember, Massflex French press. Andali. Bye-bye, everybody.